Hello. Hello. Here in Castle Mountain Chalet, we are trying to see if we can get bike, and then we're gonna go to Johnston Canyon.
Yeah.
If we get bike, otherwise we're not sure. Wow, beautiful, beautiful flowers here. So we cannot find the bike rent here, and my wife really wanted to go there, Johnston Canyon, and we started walking.
We're gonna be super tired.
We're gonna be super tired maybe.
Yeah, so we're heading towards Johnston Canyon, and this is the main road actually, guys. Not the one from the way from Calgary, but this is Highway 1A, and it is closed. What I heard is due to COVID. So there are very few cars or vehicles. You'll see plenty of bikes and some walkers. I don't know if it is called hiking. I don't think it's hiking, but yeah, some people like us who didn't want to bike all the way from Lake Louise today because it's too much to come and then go. So we decided to walk. You saw one vehicle, right? So far, yeah.
That's the Park
So this is the second one we saw. Okay, he's saying this is the Park Canada one. But this view is called Scenic Drive, from what I heard, because as you can see, it's very scenic, and it feels like the road is all to yourself, because I don't see anyone. See, like up to far I don't see many people.
It was a sign there. The wildlife animal might come here, so bear might come here too.
I hope not.
But we do have
both have bear spray.
And now we know how to talk to bear.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So how do you talk to a bear? Tell me.
I will say, hey bear, calm down. We are not here to hurt you. If you come closer to us, we're gonna spray on your face and it might hurt you.
Ha 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 ha. So
right?
But you're not supposed to shake your hands, I think.
Oh, yeah, you're not supposed to say, not supposed to cry.
Yeah.
Not supposed to make.
Not like supposed to run because the bear will outrun you.
Exactly.
Unless the bear is too tired and then old. I don't know.
If you're with somebody else, just come closer and just show like you are bigger than bear, right?
Yeah, and if
just
you
do
have,
like that.
And if you have kids, you're supposed to carry your kids.
Yeah.
But try not to lower yourself much, otherwise the bear will see you're shorter than the bear, and then yeah, try to make yourself look big. Try not to get caught by bear. Try to kind of back away slowly. That's what they say. We haven't encountered a bear yet.
Hike, walk.
So pretty lucky. I'm not complaining.
Very close to Johnston Canyon, and now we're gonna go and see the falls
Or canyon.
or the canyon. Is that falls or the canyon?
This is canyon.
We arrived here at Johnston Canyon Resort. So after walking 6.5 kilometers, we are a little bit tired. So we're just resting here. If you guys come with a bike, you can just hang your bike here. There's a bike rack, and then walk to the Johnston Canyon there. Lots of space here. People are resting. Right, so are you enjoying walk?
Yep. I was.
Okay.
I just don't want to go back.
So yeah, let's go. Let's go now.
Over there, the canyon.
Yeah,
Where's my phone?
looks nice. This is a market cafe, so you can relax and have coffee and enjoy here after biking before you go to the canyon.
Or after you come.
After you come back. So, Pudu,
Yeah.
Johnston Canyon Trail to Upper Falls. So looks like 1.5 mile Upper Falls, and Lower Falls is half mile only.
Yeah.
So we already walked just 6.5 kilometer.
You don't want
Why,
to go.
why not another 2 kilometer? Let's go up to the Upper Falls.
Oh, okay.
Let's do it today. No, let's go. Looks so cool. Clean water. Good thing happen over coffee, right? That's true. Yeah, looks like there are bridges there, and then looks,
looks like
so awesome.
Yeah, it looks like something to explore like for the whole day.
Exactly. See maybe we can see some bunnies and some birds there.
Is that a squirrel?
I don't know. Looks like bunny. Okay, let's go. I think this is the Lower Falls, right? Wow, this is great, eh?
Yeah, it's kind of scary too.
Wow. We are so close to water. Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like in a movie.
Yeah, right? Wow. That's the Lower Falls.
Huh? Oh yeah, and then we go to Upper.
Wow. Ah. Wow. Woohoo. Woohoo. Wow. Spring water here. Wow. So cool. So actually in the winter People are ice climbing on the waterfalls. Oh, wow. Okay, so now time to go to Upper Falls.
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, so now time to go to Upper Falls. So 1.3 kilometer. Okay. Wow, this hike is so worthy. I like it. I think we're gonna be hiking total today about 16-17 kilometers. Wow, this is so cool. We are very close to Upper Falls. It's about 500 meters left right now. We are almost there. Time to reveal our big waterfall, Upper Waterfalls. Hopefully this is bigger than the lower one. Yeah. Wow. Good job. Wow. Woo.
So do you see those rocks over there?
Yeah.
The shape, how it looks like it's eroded. Yeah, so because of the streams coming down, like the smaller falls, the rock is slowly eroded and it sweeps away the limestone that gives that color of the water.
It's a beautiful color there. Yellow,
Yeah.
you say?
Yeah, and yeah, that is how slowly the rock.
See, the water
comes
made the
its
way
shape.
and then.
I don't know more than that, but yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, let's go to the look house up there and might be better view from there.
Yeah, that might be something interesting for people studying about rocks.
Beautiful.
But for us, it looks nice.
Wow. We are here. So you can see the falls from here very closely.
This is my happy place.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh my god. You guys see? Oh, that's my super crazy. Come on here. Look down. Wow. That's the biggest waterfall here. So we are heading back now. We are tired already. I think we're gonna be walking about 20 kilometers today overall. More than 20, I guess. So cool. We are almost back to the parking lot. So it's almost like a 3 kilometer, 6 kilometer, right? So two-way back and forth, 6 kilometer hike from
Yeah,
parking lot to top falls there, Upper Falls. Now we still have another 6.5 kilometer to walk from here up to Castle Mountain, because we park our car. We park our car in Castle Mountain, so we still need to
It's gonna be painful.
walk. Yeah, and then while going back, I think, you know, like the sun will be on face, so might be a little hard. So we'll see. Okay, thank you Johnston Canyon for a beautiful visit here.
Yeah.
Awesome falls here. Very nice, amazing sceneries.
It was very cool.
Right, it was very cooling.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Thank you very much. And for you guys, thank you for staying with us so far. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment so that it will motivate me to make awesome videos like this for you guys. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.